In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to categorize bank transfers in Freshbooks. Whether you're a small business owner or a freelancer, having a clear understanding of your financial transactions is crucial for maintaining your books accurately. So let's dive in. First off, it's essential to set up the foundation by connecting your bank account to Freshbooks. This is a critical step because it allows Freshbooks to automatically import your transactions, saving you tons of time and reducing manual entry errors. Once your bank account is linked, proceed to the bank reconciliation section to find the transfers you need to categorize. Once you're in the bank reconciliation section, take a good look at your transaction list to locate the specific transfer you're working with. Transfers usually show up as withdrawals from one account moving to another, so keep an eye out for those. After you've identified the transfer, it's time to select the appropriate category for it. Choosing the right category is vital, as it will affect how your finances are reported. If the transfer is a result of a typical business cost, label it as an expense. If you're moving funds from your business account to your personal one, then categorize it under owner's equity. Should you receive a refund for a previously categorized expense, an expense refund would be the correct choice here. Alternatively, for transfers heading to another account type, like a savings or tax account, use the options provided in your chart of accounts. If this transfer ties back to a specific client or project type, make sure to assign it accordingly. This extra layer of detail gives you greater insight into which projects are consuming or generating the most resources. It's a handy method for detailed tracking and can ultimately support better financial decisions moving forward. After you've double-checked to ensure the right category and assignments have been made, it's time for the final step. Go ahead and confirm the transaction. This action will finalize the categorization, ensuring the transfer is accurately captured in your reconciled bank account, thus keeping your financial records up to date. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently categorize bank transfers in Freshbooks. With organized transactions, you gain clearer insights into your business's financial health, making reporting and financial planning a breeze. So the next time you import transactions into your Freshbooks account, remember these steps to stay on top of your financial game efficiently. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on managing your finances with ease.